say Ken, you say Dama. Ken. Dama. Ken. Dama. You got this. You got this. You got.
I've done a lot of professional developments. I've brought in a lot of people. This is by far my best experience I've ever had. I am Miss Bruin and I am at Wyndham Community School. We have K-5 here and I have been teaching now. I'm in my 18th year of teaching. You were on a scale of 5 and kids were giving you 10s. You guys have completely changed our environment at this school. I got just as much out of it, like the staff got a lot out of it. It really brought their minds into a whole new world of SEL. Our kids all got something really great out of it. Over my years, kids quit very quickly. And just seeing them consistently trying again, and then that moment of seeing the joy in their face when they land that one trick. Feeling like they were successful. Kendama is like allow everybody to feel the same. Victory for me! You know, we talk about equity all the time, but a lot of things are not equitable whatsoever. And this is something that truly was equitable for every single child in our school. Culturally, that's worldwide, right? You know, the idea of hitting that spike, whether you speak English or not, felt the same way for everybody. It's a good program, and it really, it's so different than everything else I've ever been taught with social emotional learning. I've gone through all the big training, the envoys, the zones of regulation, restorative practice, and when you think about it, I could probably retain 10% of what I've learned in that, whereas I've spent 3 days with you, and there's so much more that I can bring in that's truly about social emotional learning now because of what I've just learned from using a Kendama. This is something now kids are gonna be like, yep, that was the thing I remember, you know? And this was like the thing that I feel like truly made us a whole school finally. And like all on the same page about one thing. And SEL is really important. So this was a good one.
You got